Hey, what's up everybody out there in YouTube land? Elric Ferris, editor-in-chief of Motherboards.org. Welcome once again to the YouTube channel. Well, last week I had a video up, but it got pulled. And so now I'm going to do a new video for you. This is actually the introduction video, so we're kind of like almost like taking a step back in time since I already did this video once, but it's been pulled, so we're doing it again. This is the new ASUS GTX460 card. This card is supposed to compete very well with the 5830 from ATI. It's priced around $229 and features all the new features from NVIDIA, including 3D Surround, NVIDIA 3D Vision, and all the other features of NVIDIA cards. So follow along as we show you the features and then the full review of this card. Okay, so taking a look at the GTX460 top up front, we can see a couple of things right off the bat. We can see that ASUS has re-engineered this card, so this is a non-reference card. This means that they did not take the reference card that was made by NVIDIA and just slap a card out and put a sticker on it like many companies do. This card is clocked at 700 megahertz and it's overclocked. And one of the great things about this Directx copper cooling is that it dissipates all the heat away from the card. And it does this by way of these two heat pipes right here. And additionally, there is a fin underneath here. Now what this does, this mounts to the card and it dissipates all the heat away from the GPU to keep it cool. This allows NVIDIA to overclock this card. So that's one of the major features about this card. As you can see right here, it takes two 6-pin power connections to power the card, which is standard on most cards these days. We also have right here our SLI finger, so if you want to use an SLI connection, which you're going to need if you want to use 3D Vision, you're going to need to use a connector that connects to this part right here, okay? Additionally, on the I/O right here, we have two DVIs and a mini HDMI port. So this is a pretty good card. Most people don't have many more connections than this. Some people might say they want a DisplayPort, but DisplayPort technology still really hasn't hit the market in the mainstream. It's very expensive. The card right here has its PCI slot. It comes with a nice cover. I'll remove this cover so you can see it. And this is the part of the card, for those of you who are getting new, this is what inserts into your motherboard. So this is the clock. Some of the other features of this card is it comes with 768 megabytes of GDDR5 memory. It has full support for Directx 11, and it also works with NVIDIA's new 3D Vision. But one of the main things about this card, like I said before, is the Directx and this heat pipe. This is one of the great things that keeps this card running cool. One of the things that also about this card is it comes with a voltage tweak, which will keep it running 50% faster, and you can also use the ASUS Smart Doctor to achieve up to 50% more performance gain in simple click of the mouse. So that wraps up what this card's all about. Stay tuned for the scores. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure you check out our website, and please remember to sign up for our free